Hi friends, my name is Wendy if you're new around here. Thanks for being here today. Today we're going to make a really cool card using brand new products from Spellbinders featuring Bougie Birthday Collection. Now this collection fits me really well because a lot of my friends who maybe aren't so fancy like to call me bougie. Now I don't think I'm bougie personally, but I have friends that live up country was what we call it, in the woods. They don't paint their nails or do anything like that, and they're very what would you maybe call a tomboy. So they view me, who likes to get her hair done and paint my nails, as bougie. So it's kind of a standing joke around here. Anyway, the card I'm making today is for my sister. She's turning 40 this year. Yes, she is. And this card is going to come together beautifully. You'll see in the video. I really love it. It uses a beautiful embossing folder. I use a little bit of perfect pearls on it to give it some shine. And we're just going to really make a gorgeous card today. So I'm going to show you all of the Spellbinders products in this release, and then we're going to get into making the card. And there's several techniques in this card. So I hope you stick around for the full video, and I will talk to you soon. Make sure to leave me a comment on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like. And let's go. Let's get to my craft table and make the card. Okay, so here are all the dies for the builder cake, basically. There's a stencil for this awesome embossing folder with these diamonds on it. I do use the embossing folder and the stencil in this video, along with the cake builder and some of the word dies to go across the cake, and then some of the number dies for the 40 on top of the cake. So you're going to notice a clothing change and a nail change in this video. That's because some of this, this is a gift card holder, and it has all these decorations you can put on it. And we're also going to make one of those. So you'll be able to see how this comes together. It's really, really simple. In fact, everything I'm making today is incredibly simple, and you could make it as simple or as complicated as you want to. So here are all the products in this Bougie Birthday Collection, and I have linked to all of them below the video if you're interested in getting any of these. I would highly recommend getting the Treat Yourself gift card holder if you get nothing else, because it is a dream. It's super easy to cut out, and honestly, having an easy gift card holder on hand in your collection, I think, is brilliant. So here I've inked this cake up in antique linen. And then I'm going to go with the stencil over the top to darken up the diamonds a little bit. And even without adding perfect pearls, there is some shine to this situation happening. And it's interesting to me. I don't know if it's the paper and the color I chose or what, but I just did kind of a strip across there with the perfect pearls. And that turned out beautiful. And then we're going to go in with ground espresso, and we're going to make a chocolate ganache for the top. In my head, it's chocolate ganache. And then I'm going to take glossy accents and go over the chocolate ganache. And here I was just spritzing that to set the perfect pearls. So I'm going to use glossy accents to go over this, and I'm using a paintbrush to just kind of paint over the top. And then that will make this shiny, and this will dry nice and shiny like icing. Sorry if you heard some of that ruckus. That's my dogs in the background playing. They're in and out of the office, and you know, such is life. So here I've got macarons that I am covering. There is a difference between macaroons and macarons. I'm not sure if you're familiar, but a macaron is made with almond and a macaroon is made with coconut. So I kind of struggled figuring out how to layer these together, if I'm being really honest. Because I got this so early, I didn't have anything to show me really how it's supposed to go, how it's supposed to be layered. So I just did the best I could. I wanted the center and tops of my macarons to be different color than the or sorry, the top and the bottom to be a different color than the center. So I just played around with different colors and different ideas and did the best I could, and they turned out great. Nobody's going to inspect my macarons. So here I die cut and ink blended these sentiments. This is the happy birthday from the die set that goes with this collection. And I'm using my precision glue press to glue these down. And I put stamp or ink pads on top of them to kind of hold them in place. They were having a hard time sticking to that uneven cardstock with the embossing. And then I'm just going to go across the top here with my macarons, and do them alternating between a chocolate and we're going to call it a raspberry or a strawberry. And we go all the way across the top of the cake with this. And these were all, like I said, all of this is extremely easy to assemble and put together. So, one of the things I want to mention is that you are going to see several videos from me coming out from Spellbinders. They have had a really big release with lots of product, and I'm working my way through my list of products that they have sent me, and they are beautiful. There is going to be one coming up that's Winnie the Pooh. Yes, I said Winnie the Pooh. It is so stinking cute. Okay, so here, these numbers you can get as part of the collection. And I stacked 2 white pieces of cardstock together, and then I used some rose gold foil to go on the top. This is foil that I just had in my scraps. This isn't foil that I purchased from Spellbinders. I honestly don't remember where I got it. And I just put the 4 and the 0 on those little sticks like they were sticking out of the top of the birthday cake. And then I cut a second birthday cake to score. I almost cut it. I scored it, and that is the back of my card. So I mentioned in the intro of this video that this card is going to be for my sister for her 40th, which means she's probably going to see it here or on my Instagram or Facebook before she gets it in person. But her birthday is at the end of the month. And if you've been around here for a while, you've met sister, you've spent some time with her, especially if you're in the Creative Vault. If you are inclined to send sister a 40th birthday card, I would love that. Her birthday is at the end of January, so you have plenty of time. You can pop it in the mail to me, and I will make sure she gets it. I will put my P.O. box in the description of this video so that you can mail it to my P.O. box. I just think she will think it's fun to have a few handmade birthday cards from different places around the United States. So here I'm just getting these lined up so that the back and front are lined up nicely. And I'm going to pinch them together at the top. And then this card will open and that 40 will stay in place. And it's just super, super cute. I really love how this card turned out. And I know she's going to enjoy it as well. So then secondarily, I wanted to make a gift card holder that was just really simple that you can throw together with just the pieces that come in the gift card holder die set. So all the pieces I'm going to use on this come in the dies. I'm just putting away my numbers. So I decided to cut the gift card holder itself, the base of it, out of some pink cardstock that I had. I'm going to layer it with the white scallop that's in this die set. And then we're going to add some gold, I don't know what they're called, foils, confettis, streamers maybe, and decorate the front of this card. So this scallop layer will go down first, and then I'll add all my parts and pieces. So as far as catching up, we have not caught up and had a story time in quite a while. So I'm going to be doing that in a future video here pretty soon. I don't really have time in this video to get you caught up on everything that went on over the holidays, but I'm thinking I'm going to do a very special video for that and just do a nice long video where I can just chit chat away. And hopefully you'll be able to tune in and watch that one. As far as what's happening here on the channel, you'll just see me getting back to normal with my posting, and I'll probably be posting more frequently. I am working on a new fun fold card class for you guys. So that's in the works, and hopefully will be released fairly soon. In the next couple of months is what I mean by fairly soon. So be watching out for that. Is there anything else happening that's pertinent for you to know right at this moment? Well, since we're making sister's birthday card, let's talk about it. She knows. I asked her what she wanted, and we're just going to do a family dinner at my house, possibly with her husband's family too, and I'll make her whatever she wants and make her a cake, and we'll just have a good time and spend some time together. I would love to take her away somewhere, if I'm being honest, and do something just her and I, but it's just really not in the cards right now financially for either one of us. Like, you know, we just came off of, she has a horrible birthday. I mean, excuse me, I'm sure she would agree. We just came off of Christmas vacation, and so we had Christmas. We went to Disneyland. I took both of her kids. I mean, she got their tickets for them for Christmas, but Aunt Wendy took care of the rest. And so, you know, we're just in that space the month after Christmas. Plus we had all our family visiting here for 2 weeks. So there was just extra expenses that you have around the holidays. So we're trying to be a little cautious and conscientious of that right now. And so, but I will make her birthday really special, and we'll have some sort of delicious food that she wants, and I'll definitely get her a gift. I have a couple of ideas in mind for a gift, and yeah, it'll be lovely. We'll have a great time, and I'm definitely going to do some sort of fun dessert. I want to make a dessert I've never made before, and I'll make a tried and true dessert so that in the event that the dessert I make that's new is a flop, we have a backup plan. So I'll definitely be doing that. Okay, so here you could see I'm just using my Spellbinders tweezers. I got these as part of that cool kit that they had. It was around Black Friday. They have this really cool, if it was $100, you got a trimmer, you got a guillotine, however you want to say it, tweezers, scissors, both different big scissors, little scissors. I mean, it was great. So if you took advantage of that offer, you were very lucky, because it was a great deal. And I love these tweezers from Spellbinders. They're super pointy, so I've been able to use them for more than just tweezers. They're great for picking stuff up off of the table and everything. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make both the card and the gift card holder. Super, super simple. And I think they go together beautifully. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in and watching a video and taking time out of your day to be with me. Comment below. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.